Hi, I'm Heather Edwards with LaBoss Group at Century 21 Results. Welcome to my new listing at 106 Glenmill Way in Woodstock. Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed a tour of the outside of this home. Let me take you in and show you all the features this home has to offer on the inside. This 3,100 square foot ranch home has 4 sides brick, a fully unfinished basement, and windows galore. Here in the kitchen we have granite countertops, stainless steel appliances throughout, and a brand new double oven. Off of the kitchen island, there's a separate gathering place for all of your guests to sit that also has an entertainment center and a stacked stone fireplace. As you can see, this oversized, gorgeous master bedroom has coffered ceilings and its own private sitting area. If you've enjoyed this video tour of my recent listing and you'd like to see it in person, go ahead and give me a call.